In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Yahoo email to Outlook. We'll walk through creating a secure app password in Yahoo, then adding your account in Outlook. This process helps Outlook connect reliably, especially when your Yahoo account has stronger security enabled. Start by opening a web browser and signing in to your Yahoo Mail account. Once you are in, go to Settings and open the Security section. If you don't see it right away, you can also click your profile picture. Choose Account Info, then find Security from there. In the Security area, look for App Passwords or a section labeled Other Ways to Sign In. This is where Yahoo lets you generate a one-time password specifically for apps like Outlook. Choose the option to generate an app password. When asked to name it, type Outlook so you'll recognize it later. Then click Generate. Yahoo will show you a 16-character password. Copy it carefully. This is different from your normal Yahoo password and is designed just for connecting Outlook. Keep this window open or paste the password into a safe place for a moment because some pages won't display it again once you close them. Now, let's add the account in Outlook Classic. Open the Outlook desktop app, go to File. Then select Add Account. Type your Yahoo email address and click Connect. When Outlook asks for a password, paste the 16-character app password you just generated. Continue through any prompts and once Outlook confirms the connection, click Done. Your mailbox will begin syncing. Give it a few minutes for your emails and folders to appear. If you are using the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, click the Settings gear icon, then go to Accounts and choose Add Account. Enter your Yahoo email address. If you are prompted to authenticate, use the same Yahoo app password you generated. Approve any on-screen confirmations. Once connected, Outlook will start syncing your messages automatically. A few quick tips as you finish up. The app password is only for Outlook and doesn't replace your normal Yahoo sign-in on the web. If you ever lose it or switch devices, you can return to the same security page in Yahoo to generate a new app password and repeat the connection steps. Avoid sharing the app password with anyone, and if you suspect it's been exposed, revoke it in Yahoo Security and create a fresh one. That's it, your Yahoo Mail is now added to Outlook and ready to use. Thanks for watching.